Hello, my name is Oulisa.
And I'm Ayana.
And we are the artists that play. Today, we will be making candy art.
Here's the first rule of kids. Don't eat lots of candy.
Or you run out. We're going to use 3 different things. So our materials are a plate, paperweight,
And a plastic spoon.
so you can taste your water and Skittles. Milk
Is
for one of the ways. Cold water for one of the ways we're going to do it. And then we're going to have hot water coming.
Look at the magic trick. I just
You're going to need Skittles
here's
for the rain colors.
And I'm closing.
Ayana, and an adult to help you, and your best sister. If you have one, or brother, or any sibling, or teenager cousin. Let's get started. So first what you're gonna do is make your ring. Ayana and I are both gonna do red, yellow. Red, yellow, red, until like you're done. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to copy something. So don't copy us.
Red and yellow.
I'm working on my red and yellow. I'm doing like red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. Ayana's probably doing yellow, red, yellow, red.
No, this is the starting. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. Red, yellow, red, yellow.
We're gonna pour the water in once we finish, and we're gonna see how the colors react. We're gonna see if cold water is faster than hot water or milk.
And
I am done. I'm waiting for Ayana. We're about to do the hardest part. We're gonna pour the water.
oh, I accidentally spilled.
It's okay.
Mine.
We all make mistakes.
I forgot it. One
Now let's see how
yellow.
fast it's gonna go. It's either gonna go fast, slow, or medium. Wait, I think it's gonna go slow because look how long it's taking. Oh, Daddy, fix it with fast water. Want to hear something crazy? Guys, want to hear something? Did you know that cold water moves slower than hot water? Because cold water, the colder it is, the less melting it is. And the slower it melts, the slower it will take to get it all the way to the middle. So we'll have to wait a little while. Then next we're gonna do hot water.
No, the next we're going to do milk.
No, last we're gonna do milk because we haven't seen milk before.
No, you said next.
I said last.
Next.
Rock, paper, scissors, whoever wins gets to choose whoever we're gonna do that.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, wait, no. But this is, I have a different way. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Anything you want to do. God.
Say what?
God beats rock.
No.
I said anything. Anything means anything on earth. And God's on earth. So I win. And we're doing milk last.
Please, Willie, you said
Anything you want to do.
Can y'all decide which one you're gonna do and don't argue about it now?
can we mix
Okay, let's do milk and then we'll do hot water.
But I want to do milk before, not after hot water, so then we see what the milk is and last.
Can we mix it now?
Okay.
Now we're about to mix our waters.
Orange.
I'm getting orange.
Me too.
I'm getting red orange. It's orange because when you mix
tasty.
red and yellow together, you will get the color orange. And that's too fast. I have no idea how to explain that. Delicious Skittles though. And now we're going to do the same experiment but with a twist.
You're supposed to say we're back first.
We're back, and now we're going to be doing the exact same experiment, but with a little twist. Now using the same colors or the same water. We're not going to be using cold water, we're going to be using hot water. Could it be?
Yes, it is.
Or could it be slower? We think it's going to be faster, because melting is done by heat. So, wait, then what is the milk going to be? Could the milk be medium? Could the milk be slow? We're going to find out after this. So now, Ayana and I are about to get started.
No, You're like doing green, orange, purple.
Purple, orange, green. You don't have to use the same color. You can use any. If you have blue, you can put it in rainbow order. You can put it in categories. You don't have to go the same as us. Unless you want to be copiers or friends with them. That was
What friends? Only eats her breakfast faster.
Hey, that's a rumor.
And I go slow.
Ayana, can you please stop sharing facts about us? Don't share facts that I really don't want anyone to know.
I already did it. Too late.
Did you tell them about my
What?
diary?
Her diary. She always writes in her diary. She has 2 diaries.
So please don't my diary. If you guys want, while we're doing this, you guys can read a book. If it's Captain Underpants book, please tell us it is. And don't forget to subscribe. Like
More
and subscribe
videos.
and hit that notification bell. You should hit it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll be waiting here, and we will be making more videos for you. And they're gonna be fun.
And they're gonna be fun and big and so sweet.
Not too sweet, not candy sweet. Want to hear some jokes while Ayana's taking so long? Sorry. We'll be right back.
It's me, Ayana.
Ayana, finish.
Sorry, folks. I've never been on TV before.
Why do fairies carry wands? Because wands can't walk. Why did the witch date an IT expert? She wanted to marry a computer wizard. Enough of the jokes. Now our dad is pouring the water. Now let's see if it's fast or slow. Ayana, see how fast it's moving? The hot water is making it go faster, and the cold water makes it go slow. Why is that? Well, want to know why? How hot the water is heating up the candy, which is melting the color on the bottom. But it goes faster because heat is better at melting than cold. Now we're about to try to mix. No, we're about to mix. Let's start mixing. Let's see. Da-da, da-da, da. It looks like a tornado just blew up in there. We're back and we're about to pour the milk. Let's do it. Yeah.
I'm so excited. What's it gonna do?
That's my question.
What's it gonna do? It's doing nothing.
I don't have any hope for this. Mine's not doing anything.
Look, child, it's glowing. It's glowing. It's doing it. It's doing something.
Mine too. People, it's even slower. Milk is even slower than cold water, people.
This is taking so long.
So I can entertain you. Why don't witches wear top hats? Why? Why? Because there's no point.
Let's just move on to mix it.
Excuse me.
I see it.
Wait, mine's not doing anything.
Oh, maybe it's invisible.
Oh,
maybe
it's at the bottom.
mine is peach.
Mine's pink. Well, joke time is over. Hey, we're back. I'm gonna tell you something. We're learning something crazy.
Orange and yellow make peach.
I want to We noticed cold water, it is harder to melt. The harder it is to melt, the longer it will take to go in. What we noticed with the hot water, because of its hot reaction, I was talking, and you're gonna nod.
I'm not there.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. Now we have to say goodbye.
Why? Ow. I'll miss you.
We love you, great audience.
Thanks for being a great audience.
Subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We'll be waiting for you. Always, we will be coming with new